All right, welcome to the Jet Experience. Today, I am back at Disneyland for the first time since masks restrictions have changed. It's since changed again, so basic rules right now is nobody has to wear it outside, and then everybody has to wear it indoors right now, including on indoor rides. So what we're doing today, something a little different. We are doing the Mountain Challenge. So for those not familiar with what that is, it varies a little bit between Walt Disney World and Disneyland because of what the rides are. The general challenge is in 1 day's visit, so you can't do it over like a week-long visit. You have to do the 4 man-made mountain rides at here in Disneyland. It's at Disneyland proper. And then over in over in Walt Disney World, it's in the Magic Kingdom. So the 4 rides here in Disneyland, in no particular order, are Space Mountain, located in Tomorrowland, Splash Mountain, located in Critter Country. You've got Big Thunder Mountain Railroad, located in Frontierland, and then the last one, which doesn't have mountain in the name, but it is Matterhorn bobsleds, located in Fantasyland. So there's no particular order that you have to do them in, just the rules are you have to do it in 1 day. So we came a little later this evening, so we're gonna make it a little extra challenging, and we're getting in right before 6 o'clock, and the park closes at 10, so it's 4 rides in 4 hours. Shouldn't be an issue. It's not particularly busy today, it seems, but we're gonna give it a try. First one I'm going to hit up is Space Mountain. We're right outside Tomorrowland right now. And then I think we're probably going to go Matterhorn, and then head over to Frontierland for Big Thunder Mountain, and then finish it off over at Splash Mountain. That could change as the evening goes on. So we're going to run over because it's almost 6 o'clock, and we want to start right at 6 o'clock in line. So join us on this experience. All right, right next to Space Mountain, 6 o'clock on the dot, even though that clock is missing the hour hand. And we're getting in line. From the top of Space Mountain, there's a really nice view of one of our other feats that we need to achieve, which is Matterhorn. I just saw the bobsled go by. I'm thinking that one might be next since we're so close, but we'll play it by ear once we get off this one. Space Mountain all done. From the time we got in line to walking off the ride, it was about 40 minutes. The line was a little bit longer than it said. It showed 25. It pumped up to 35 while we were in line, and it was probably right about a 35-minute wait. However, now, right in front of us is Matterhorn. So we're making our way over to that one. The waterfall's not going, unfortunately, but it does say that it's about a 20-minute wait right now, which will work because it's 6:50 right now. So we've used almost an hour of our 4 hours that we have to do all 4 rides. All right, we are next up. It's been 15 minutes, so we shaved off a couple minutes to make up for Space Mountain, and we're climbing in. And here we go. This is not a smooth roller coaster. Oh, waterfall. Oh, water. That is not a smooth roller coaster. Oh, that hurts so bad. All right, we're all done. What's definitely going to be the bumpiest ride of the day. I haven't ridden that side of the cars in a long time, and I forgot just how much that throws you around. It was fun, but I'm going to need to go see a chiropractor after. So we're heading over now to Big Thunder Mountain Railroad. Just check the app. They are at 15-minute wait time declared on that. So I think, short of one of them, knock on wood, going down in the next couple minutes, that not only are we going to smash this challenge out in 4 hours, we're probably going to do it in 2 or less. Maybe not less, but maybe right about 2 hours. So we're heading over there right now and trying to see if we can actually finish this in daylight. All right, we're on the pathway between Fantasyland and Frontierland, and we're already right next to part of the track of Big Thunder. As you can see, some familiar looking, the reds, kind of in the browns and tans they have for Fantasyland, or I'm sorry, for Frontierland. I was thinking of like the Wild West. There's one of the many entrances over to Galaxy's Edge. And in just a moment or two, we'll be in line. All right, not a 15-minute wait. It's a walk-on. We have not stopped walking. So we're getting up, and we'll be getting in line right now. All right, we're all strapped and ready to go, and in the front row, there's the engine right in front of us. And away we go. Rattlesnakes! There's a goat with dynamite in its mouth. There's skunks. Like it as much in the front. All right, we just got off Big Thunder Mountain Railroad. My voice is a little hoarse from screaming. It's 7:30. We have 2.5 hours left and only one ride left to go, and we're heading over there now. I just looked. It's a 35-minute wait declared. We'll see what it actually is. I was watching the wait times earlier before we got here, and they were up around an hour all day, but as the day is ending, times might be getting lower. So we're gonna rush over there and see if we can't actually knock this out in only 2 hours instead of 4. All right, we're up to the front of the line. We're next to get on, and it's just a couple minutes before 8. So we're not gonna complete it in 2 hours, but we should be on the last ride within 2 hours. We just got on, and I'm in a seat I've never been on before. the very back. I don't know what that's gonna look like. We got Ashley right in front of me, Declan in front of her, and then 3 people in front of us. So hopefully we don't get super wet. Oh, here we go.
For your safety, just stay safe. Keep your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the log, and be sure to watch your kids. Have a zippity-doo-dah ride.
And something I forgot to mention is it was blisteringly hot earlier, and it is cooling off rapidly with the sun. So if we get wet, it is going to be cold. All right, that first one wasn't bad. I think they got wet up front, but we didn't in the back.
That suits us. How do you do? My best ring, pretty good, sure as you're born.
Oh yeah, they definitely got wet up front on that one, but I think I was safe at least. I don't know about Declan and Ashley. Yeah, here we go. Here we go. Hit the drum. I don't know if I kept it on me or not, but I got a little wet, not much. Oh, they definitely got soaked up front. I can hear them.
Oh, Declan got wet.
You got wet, Declan?
Yeah, I'm shivering because I'm scared.
I guess Declan got really wet. So we were enjoying dinner over at the Red Rose Tavern, and this is our view from the dinner table. So, little hidden secret, short of being right in front of Small World or the castle to see all the extras, this looks like probably the best place to check out the fireworks, because you get to sit down at a table and enjoy dinner while watching the fireworks. All right, so our dinner and a show is done, and I decided to throw in an extra bonus treat since we smashed that challenge out of the park in 2 hours and 15 minutes. And that is that there are some circles, and I'm gonna remain neutral on this. I don't have a pony in this show, if you will, that for some reason include Indiana Jones in the mountain challenge, which is confusing because there's no mountain with it. It is a spectacular ride, but there is no mountain. So since there's time left, I'm running over there right now while Ashley and Declan go ride Snow White, and I'm gonna include Indiana Jones.
You seek the future. I will lift the curtain of time. It is your destiny. My eyes. Your destiny now lies.
mountain challenge at Disneyland complete and smashed out of the park. Gave myself 4 hours to do it. Barely needed more than half of that, 2 hours and 15 minutes to complete the official one. And then because of the extra time, threw in Indiana Jones a little bit at the end. To me, it seemed like there was lots of new stuff in there that I didn't recognize, but I also ride it very rarely because he's still not quite tall enough. He's got 1 inch to go before he can ride it. So hopefully here in maybe the next couple months, he'll sprout up another inch and we'll be good to go to ride that together as a family. But it was a nice, fun evening here. It was great to be back in the park. It's been a month or two since I've been here. We've been doing a lot of Universal, a lot of Knott's stuff. So I hope you like this video. If so, please give us that thumbs up. Consider subscribing to the channel. If you ring the bell below, you get notifications of all of our future videos. As always, please be kind and be real, and join us on our next experience.